Once upon a time, there was a little boy named Max. One day, Max found an injured bird on the ground. He gently picked it up and took it home. Max cleaned the bird's wound and fed it every day until it was strong enough to fly again. After a few days, the bird healed and flew away. Max was a little sad but happy that he had helped. Months later, during a difficult time, Max needed help, and he received it from someone unexpectedly. He learned that kindness always comes back in surprising ways. Moral: a small act of kindness can bring back blessings in unexpected ways.